Yolanda.
Yolanda. Hey, what a beautiful name, eh? Yolanda. Beg us this one. I desperately need to speak to the minister regarding a community project that needs approval.
You know what? Just write your name, your number, the reason why you're here. I can hand over the file for you.
What's against it?
Balika Malako and the reason why you're here, and then I'll hand over. Calm down, you need to calm down. I'm trying to help you, Abba. If you keep on with that temper shouting, I'm gonna have to call the security.
Okay, wait, now we're supposed to be security. Ninja again, you know, when the minister let in, Ninja again in Impela Kaputa. Indiana has to most imagine stake this cat stick. The following on a street, not about home affairs. Ula you have to do it with the channel, you will talk about offline about now you cut the Basilanchi. Never.
What are you talking about? I don't know my face. How do I fit in? Don't tell me because
it's okay you will look in our big chela machine. Go by the banana machine. That no to full into that you must get up and do things yourself. Yes, this is what somebody's minister. Let's just be